So let's begin with place value. First, let me tell you what is meant by place value. Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in a number such as ones, tens, hundred, etc. Place value is the value of a digit according to its position in a number such as ones, tens, hundred, etc. Now let us start with an example for place value. Suppose if you take a number 346. First of all, you have to put a place value for this numbers. The number 6 is in ones place, the number 4 is in tens place, the number 3 is in hundred place. The number 6 is in ones place, so that there are 6 ones. So you have to multiply 6 by 1. 6 into 1 equal to 6. The number 4 is in tens place, so that there are 4 tens. So you have to multiply 4 by 10. 4 into 10 equal to 40. The number 3 is in hundred place, so that there are 300. So you have to multiply by 100. 3 into 100 equal to 300. The place value of 6 is 6. The place value of 4 is 40. The place value of 3 is 300. Now we see the another one example for place value. The number 909. First of all, you have to put a place value. So the digit 9 is in ones place, the digit 0 is in tens place, the digit 9 is in hundred place. The digit 9 is in ones place, so that there are 9 ones. So you have to multiply by 1. 9 into 1 equal to 9. The digit 0 is in tens place, so that there are no tens. 0 into 10 equal to 0, so there is no value for this number. Next, the digit 9 is in hundred place, so that there are 900. So 9 into 100 equal to 900. So finally the place value for 9 is 9. The place value for 0 is also 0. The place value for 9 is 900. Next we are going to see about face value. The definition for face value is face value of each digit in a number is same as the digit itself. Let us start with an example for face value. Suppose if you take a number 346. First of all, you have to put a place value for this number. The digit 6 is in ones place, the digit 4 is in tens place, the digit 3 is in hundred place. The face value of 6 is 6 itself. The face value of 4 is 4 itself. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. Another one example for face value. Suppose if you take a number 547. As usual, you have to put a first place value for this number. So 7 is in ones place, 4 is in tens place, 5 is in hundred place. Next we have to find out the face value for this number. So 7 is in ones place, so the face value is 7 itself. The number 4 is in tens place, so the face value of 4 is 4 itself. The number 5 is in hundred place, so the face value of 5 is 5 itself. Next we are going to see about the expanded form. Expanded notation represents the number as the sum of the place value of each digit. Expanded notation represents the number as the sum of the place value of each digits. Now let us see the example for expanded form. Suppose if you take a number 894. As usual, you have to put a place value for this number. The digit 4 is in ones place, and 9 is in tens place, and 8 is in hundred place. First of all, you have to find out the place value for these numbers. So the number 4 is in ones place, so that there are 4 ones. So the place value is 4. The number 9 is in tens place, so that there are 9 tens. So the place value of 9 is 90. The number 8 is in 100 place, so that there are 800. So you have the place value of 8 is 800. Next, as we already know that how to write the expanded form. The expanded form means the sum of the place value. So you have to write 800 plus 90 plus 4. Next we are going to see the another one example for expanded form. Suppose if you take the number 763, you have to put your place value for this numbers. The digit 3 is in ones place, the digit 6 is in tens place, the digit 7 is in 100 place. So the digit 3 is in ones place, so that there are 3 ones. So the place value of 3 is 3. The digit 6 is in tens place, so that there are 6 tens. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 10, 60. The place value of 7 is in 100 place, so that there are 7 hundreds. So the place value of 7 is 700. So we have to write the sum of the place value, that is called the expanded form. So 700 plus 60 plus 3. Next we are going to see about the successor. First let me tell you what is meant by successor. The successor of a number is the number that comes just after. It is obtained by adding 1 to the number. So the successor of a number is the number that comes just after. It is obtained by adding 1 to the number. That means you have to just add 1 to the given number. So that is called successor. Okay. So next we are going to see about the 4 examples for successor. So first example is the successor of 308 is, just you have to add 1 to the given number. So 308 plus 1 equal to 309. So the successor of 308 is 309. Next example, the successor of 789 is, just you have to add 1 to the given number. So 789 plus 1 equal to 790. So the successor of 789 is 790. Next, the successor of 700 is, you have to add 1 to the given number. So 700 plus 1 equal to 701. So the successor of 700 is 701. Next example, the successor of 849 is, just you have to add 1 to the given number. So 849 plus 1 equal to 850. So the successor of 849 is 850. Next, the successor of 999 is, just you have to add 1 to the given number. So 999 plus 1 equal to 1000. So the successor of 999 is 1000. Next we are going to see about the predecessor. First let me tell you what is meant by predecessor. So the predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. It is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. The predecessor of a number is the number that comes just before it. It is obtained by subtracting 1 from the number. That means you have to just subtract 1 from the given number. That is called a predecessor. Okay. So let's see through an example. First example is, the predecessor of 165 is, just you have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 165 minus 1 equal to 164. So the predecessor of 165 is 164. Next example, the predecessor of 799 is, just you have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 799 minus 1 equal to 798. So the predecessor of 799 is 798. Next, the predecessor of 565 is, just you have to subtract 1 from the given number 565. So the 565 minus 1 equal to 564. So the predecessor of 565 is 564. Next example, the predecessor of 667 is, just you have to subtract 1 from the given number. So 667 minus 1 equal to 666. So the predecessor of 667 is 666. And the last example, the predecessor of 854 is, just you have to subtract 1 from the given number. 854 minus 1 equal to 853. So the predecessor of 854 is 853. Thank you, students.